So yesterday, just open this one. Okay, the web server is up. Where is the cloud page actually? Okay. I click on Discover Data Center now. Okay, it is discovering. Let's wait. And we doesn't complete that discovery part fully, right? We were up to the identification part and we were talking about this pattern and all. Still exploration phase is left. Let's
Correct, boss.
complete that unfinished part as well today. There is a error actually. See, it doesn't create anything. We got an error also. It doesn't write even fully also. Date. See discovery status. Think somewhere. Right. So let me try to run it again to see what happens. Still it is the same, right?
Yes, proceed.
Computers and circuits, not this one. Can you please check whether this number and this instance ID, everything is correct actually?
Yes, proceed. Yesterday only I pasted this.
These things actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see here.
Can you go to the AWS account one?
Yeah, sure.
Access control. We created one AM user, right?
No, proceed.
Okay.
Only admin we have created. User we didn't touch it. Was yesterday.
But yesterday I have given access for the AM user only, right?
Yes.
For this user, we should have the read-only rule. Can
Okay.
you type here with the read-only? Without space. It's not giving up, right?
No.
Our console name is EU North 1 Compute, okay? But here it is showing EU East 1. Can you go and fix this one in the North 1 and can you create this thing actually?
Yeah, sure.
It's not at all setting. Why we are in this console actually? It has to be in the North 1 actually. Go back to your user actually.
Okay.
This is our console, correct? EU North 1.
Yes,
Okay.
correct. Yeah.
This one got created in EU East 1. Only Asia specific and these ones are enabled. Just give me some time. I will figure it out this issue actually. Why we can't edit that read-only rule, okay? Because we have to add that role against this one. Then only we can access some of the read-only accesses from this one actually.
Okay. But here it is
Before that,
showing again global.
sorry,
Again, it's showing global processing.
that
This
is okay. I will figure it this one.
sure.
Don't worry. You just give me your just credentials alone. I will check it out. Okay.
Okay.
AWS credential and your just create one user account in your dev instance and share it with me with admin room.
Okay.
I will check and let you know. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. And let's complete the discovery part. We doesn't want to waste our time on this thing. Okay. So this is the one what we have completed, and we saw till this pattern. So I think you people understand already about the pattern. And these are the next probes, multi-probe, WI runner, and again it is giving some value to us. So here how these probes and these runners are, they are just fixing up in the sense using the classification, CA classifiers. You go for the CI classification. Under CI classification for Windows, in that 2022 is our server, right? In this one, we already completed the identification phase with this pattern name. And the next phase is the exploration phase. See, for exploration phase, it is trying to launch these three things, okay? The first one is AMD, Application Dependency Mapping, installed software. AMD enhanced, any other enhanced PowerShell is working on that. For this one, WMI runner is working. For this one, multi-probe is running. For this one, AMD PowerShell. If you still have any kind of enhanced feature with the application dependency mapping, then this will be running. So, as we see over there, can you see the multi-probe with Windows AMD? AMD is application dependency mapping. It is just got runner, and WMA runner installed software. These two things got run up as an output. It sends from ServiceNow, and the input we got these two information. These two information is checking like whether we have any other installed software in that system. Here, if you see, it doesn't give any answer to it, but it just returned what? Some of the basic information in the system. I'm just maximizing it. The payload, whatever we got. Okay, just go by line. First, it talks about the packages. It has the package called Microsoft Edge version. Okay, that is the vendor of Microsoft Corporation. And Amazon SSM agent. It has, again, it has Microsoft Visualization C++ 2019. It has, and then it is having some other web services within it. So these are some of the installed packages that we have within this system. That is the information it is providing to us. So during the software life cycle management, like a SAM and all, we activated in the sense these kind of configuration will help us to know like how many systems are using the Microsoft Edge, how many systems are using this Amazon Web Services. So this kind of discovery will help us to know about what are the install, how many systems that this particular thing is running in our organization. So are you getting this answer, guys? See how nicely it is giving all the answers about what are all running in our system.
So, Kasi, I'm having one doubt whether these are the inbuilt functions or do we are we doing any customizations for this one?
These are inbuilt. This is our PC, right? In this PC only we are getting all this information. From here we are getting like, see what are the packages it has. If I put just Microsoft over here, so these are some of the installed ones. Like see, Internet Explorer, it is showing up. Microsoft Edge, it shows up. So these are the information it is trying to show us over there.
And
These
it
are the
will,
installed packages we have within the system.
okay. It means it is for Windows Linux server, no? And if it is for different configuration item, it will be different.
Yeah, it will show the different items. Whatever things you have installed within the system, that will be shown.
So in case if we installing Zoom in that server, like it that will also be displayed, right? So whether it's
Yes.
okay. So ideally, like we are importing the server details and what are all the applications are running, and it will provide the dependency, like what are all how each and everyone is related. So right,
Yes.
Razi?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's open this application dependency mapping. Okay. This application dependency mapping will tell you like which TCP or HTTP port that this particular one is listening up. Okay. It is local address. Every time, guys, remember this one. TCP will have two things. One is address and another number was the port number. This is not port number actually. This is actually the port number. First to 4 is the IP address and third after 4-digit whatever we are having, that is called IP addresses. In that way only TCP will be get connected. HTTPS will listen to some of the HTTPS addresses only. Okay. So it will be giving some answers like for this one, what and all port and probes. It is just actually listening within our system. These kind of information, this area will be get provided. Other information you don't have it over here. Only this information you will be get to know. So like this, we will be discovering all these things. Any questions till now?
No plus.
Means can we do any customization process here?
We can't do customization and all. Either we can install some software and we can run this discovery and test again, like whether it is, what to say, like whether it is actually, um, how to say, discovering that particular one. Like this, we can discover.
Prasi, if the started is showing only 2, what would be the reason for that?
What is meant like to?
I mean,
Here,
actually, in my this one, I actually tried to set up this, but where in discovery status, ECQ, it is everything is completed 2 by 2, but ECQ is only showing me only 4. I mean, stages in sense only scanning and classify stages go. I mean, I can see, but whereas identification and exploration is not coming up.
You have to check in the discovery log, first of all, whether you're seeing, it will show now. Active now, classifying, discovery, classified, now identifying.
Can I share the screen, Prasi? Only 1 minute.
Yeah, please check this. You can stop.
yeah, sure.
I don't have an option of share screen. Oh yeah, I have.
Go.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, actually in discovery status, this is the one. Oh, frick.
1 minute. Can I get the control, please?
Yes. The Mid server is up actually.
That is okay. It is showing couldn't classify, no WMI connection. The mid server is not suitable because MID does not have the capability of Nmap value. It is showing means your classification, your credential is not valid.
Okay.
SNC, copy this error and put it in the screen actually.
Okay.
Put it in the browser. Wait, check it.
Okay.
Did you test your credential at first actually?
Yes, yes. As per the steps only I went through.
Can you open your system? What is that? Console.xml file.
Over here only it is open.
Yeah, leave it, leave it. I will.
In my instance, it was showing password, but here it is showing true, Prasi.
It is showing true. This one secure.
Yeah, it should not show like that. It should show the password.
You're talking about this one or this
Below
one?
one. Below one. Yeah,
Okay.
secure true.
Password equal to true, it is showing. Do you have the secure parameter with you?
Secure parameter.
Jagdish, do you have this parameter secure equal to true?
Let me check, Prasi. Actually, when I checked it, it was not there.
Hey, this is your password, what you have created, Vivian.
No,
I know
no,
password will get encrypted over here, but I'm just checking with you whether it is.
no, not that one. It's actually I had given my mobile number.
Give your number over here actually. And save this file.
Yeah, it is secure equal to true only, Prasi.
Give your number over here, Vivian.
Okay. I mean,
Have a
I'll give the
password.
password. Yes.
Give it over here.
Mid-server. I think I gave mid-server. 1 second.
Otherwise, you go to that user, change the password, come and rewrite over here.
Okay. 1 minute. I had
First, you
written all
have
the
to.
passwords. 1 minute.
First, once you set up all these things, you just pass your credential at first phase. Okay.
Okay.
If your credential get passed, then go to the discovery and run it again. Do another.
Mid-server. Sorry, mid-server. I had given test.
Only test is your password.
A test at the rate 123. I can't edit here.
I think we need to reset the password from there only, no, Prasi.
No. You have to open it and we have opened in browser over here. Open it in Notepad and change it.
Okay. I'll do it right.
Fine with.
One minute. 1 minute. T. 1 minute.
Caps only, right? First it is.
No. Correct it is. T is caps. TEST at the rate 123.
Again, same error. SNC. The JSON object text must be. Where will be getting this JSON object actually? If we have mid-server issues, in a sense, you have to solve it, those things, okay?
Yeah.
What is the version of your system actually?
I mean, it's Vancouver only.
The file you downloaded is also Vancouver, right?
Yes, yes.
So guys, now what are the things you may come across? What are the errors or issues you may come across? And how you have to set up these things and all you learned, right? Still you're learning. That is the thing actually. I mean, after these many years of experience also, I too learn many things. Now you have to concentrate with these kind of errors. What and all errors you do, just try to register it in any one of the notepad or one. I mean, wherever you feel it like okay, because in my experience, I forgot many things. Like because we will do multiple things in our daily activities, and I forgot. Even though today Amazon's Am user one, I just forgot where to give that access to the user actually. So while we are creating, we have to give some access to the AM user. Okay, nearly two access we used to give. One is read only, and another one I just forgot it about it. So I have to go and check, and I have to do it again. So try to note it down everything somewhere else, guys. This will help you out really actually in this ITOM journey.
Sure, Prasi. And we tried this. Is it required to change the version to Washington?
No, not needed actually.
Okay. And I have shared the credentials, Prasi,
Where you have shared?
in WhatsApp.
Yeah, received. Thanks.
Yeah.
One unresolved issue still. Okay, what is it? Could not decrypt file whitelist after sync. What file they did want to decrypt?
Even debug also not taking for him, Prasi. We tried several
Yeah,
times.
yesterday.
doesn't have license. This is the file that is causing issue. Smith server properties, normal properties. Peace. Yes.
So perhaps ideally in ITOM profiles, most of the time we will be in troubleshooting this kind of issues, right, Prasad?
Yeah. We don't have much work and all. We always used to do lot of troubleshooting actually.
Okay. But do you have any kind of document where best practices or troubleshooting steps, that kind of thing?
We don't have any, particular steps and all, I could say, but we have some kind of common errors actually every time.
Okay.
Only setting up mid server is an important thing. Okay. After
Okay.
setting up, what happened? You have another one. I will teach you that in the next session, like how to do with SNMP. We have version 1, version 2 and 3. For this, we
Okay.
have to set it up the mid server at first, then only we can log. Discovery itself, we have to schedule in a different way for that one. So
Okay.
these are some different techniques we have. But in my whole work and all, how we do in the sense, for same IP address, we will be having 100 devices. Same name with
Okay.
different IP addresses. And we will
Okay.
be having for example, network devices and all what it happens. It have around, switches, this network adapters, network switches and all what happens. Switches, right, it is actually, it has primary address, IP address, and it will have 10 secondary IP address. Sometimes what happens, this primary IP address won't come and sit in the primary place. It will go and sit in the secondary place. Any one secondary IP address will come and sit in the primary location. We don't know why it is happening like that.
Okay. Understood. Yeah.
Then we have to go and check our pattern, and we have to check that if, for example, take Cisco itself. Cisco is one of the very famous.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to check how that particular manufacturer has done their manufacturing, like their details. So in which port they have
Okay.
assembled their IP address, and that
Okay.
how ServiceNow pattern has been configured. So that's the
Okay.
reason it is coming and sitting in the, not in the
Okay.
it is sitting in some other place. So
Understood. Yeah.
technically speaking, you have to little bit learn about networking also.
Yes.
So
Yes.
then only you know like what this port number is and why this port is acting in this way. What
Yeah.
is TCCP for this? What is UDP for this one?
Yeah.
So when you're
Understood.
working in the real time,
Mhm.
these are the issues you may face.
Correct. Understood.
What is this com.glide dot? Com.snc.discover.
Actually, Prasi, first we have installed without demo data. After that, it has installed with demo data. Is it impacting here?
No, nothing it will impact. I couldn't even see this property. Do you see this one actually? This is the plugin.
Yeah.
Can you check whether you have this plugin in your system, Jagdish?
Sure. Yeah. Can you paste this?
Yeah. If something happens, no, you just go and revoke your instance itself. Put it out away. Again, you install and again you install your discovery.
Okay.
What about debugging, Prasi? Debugging also it's impacting for him with that IP address. If you put that particular IP address 31.31.60.78, it's coming like that. So it's all about mid server issues, or
The system issue.
okay.
That server is working fine. Here, sometimes the instance itself have some issues. Either you raise a ticket or you revoke this instance and have a new instance. That's it. I have this kind of service now issues and on instance itself have some issue with you. Actually.
It means I'll not be able to run this cloud user also, because that also is not running, and that is also giving an error, Prasi. If you see
That
last but
instance
1, 2, 3, 4, fourth one tab.
that is what I'm saying. It is an instance issue.
Okay. Okay.
It's not from cloud or mid server issue. You better revoke your instance and get a new one. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Because out of the box error and all, we can't fix it up, right? So you better put it away and get it new.
Okay.
And up to exploration, you please go through it. And in Amazon, if you need, try to insert a Linux server and check it out in this 2 days actually. So we have it for Windows right now. Same way, you try with Linux. We have multiple documentations in ServiceNow also. If you have faced any issue, because here in Linux, you have to do what? SSH credential. Instead of Windows credential, you will be doing SSH credential. Okay.
Port
So try
number.
to do 22.
Okay.
So try to do with that. No, in Amazon, you have to install another system for Linux. Within that Linux, you have to install your MIT server by downloading the Linux MIT server installation, and you have to install that MIT server.
Sure, Prasi. Yeah.
Here it is showing you as a service account. There it will show you as pseudo code. Try it up. Let me know, okay?
Yep.
Just like a fun activity or just like a brainstorming activity, you can do this one, because in real time scenario, you will be having both Windows machine and Linux machine also.
Yep.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining. So the next session has to be this issue solving that I have to do with cloud management. And we will be seeing some of the templates, how to handle cloud catalog and templates, stacks and resources, things and all. We can stay step by step.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, Prasi.
Okay.
Tomorrow class is there, Prasi?
Weekend sessions.
Direct Tuesday, no, Prasi.
Exactly Tuesday, yes. Monday I'm not available.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Prasi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prachi. Bye.